Student Success Library Card from the Los Angeles Public Library is free for students in kindergarten through grade 12. With your Student Success Library Card, you can borrow up to 5 books at a time, instantly access digital books, magazines, music, movies, and more 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can connect with a free online tutor, get help with homework or writing a paper for any grade, and best of all, there are never any overdue fines or fees.
The Los Angeles Public Library wants to make sure that every student in Los Angeles has the tools that they need to be successful in school. The Student Success Library Card is here to help them. For more information, please visit our website or give us a call.